In his mind, go and pull where they're going to put me. Because they are social animals. So knowing this at the back of your mind that that's how things behave, you want to use that to your advantage. So if this is my pen, this is how I'm going to train the staff to clean it. Because of safety is that I'll tell them to put Isaiah and wash this pen. The reason is that when pigs want to decide, they don't decide by look, they decide by smell. Their smell is they rely more on their smell more than their eyes. So when pigs look at all of what they only see black and white. Even if a Igbo man is here, they don't care. Because their eyes, the way their eyes is designed, they could. So while I'm standing here, I can only see this brother. I can only see Dickens slightly. But when it comes to pig can see like here. Pig can see from you here to Madam here. They can see up to 380. They can see up to 300 degrees.
Wow.
And the reason, but the problem with that is that they cannot see color very well. They can only see color this way. Whereas I know the color you're wearing, I know Madam is wearing green. People only know. Why? Because they don't need color. All they want to know in the wild is that, are you a tiger or are you a rat? Or are you a rabbit? If you're a tiger, we need to run away. If you're a rabbit, we need to chase you and kill you and eat it. Their mind is very simple. They are not complex, so they don't need to know color. Now, how do I know they don't know color? When animal give birth, when the sow give birth to all white pigs, and now one give birth to all black pigs. That's how I can confirm that. Because when you read this thing in a book, I have to put it to the experiment to see whether it's true. So when we decided to take some of the babies of the black and give it to the lady that has white. Now, we call that fostering. So if you give out, if your pigs happen to give out a lot of piglets and they don't have enough breasts, and they happen to give out around the same 2-3 days interval, you can take maybe from one and take it to the other. So we started to take a lot of about 3 black pigs, take it to the mother of white. But instead of we now do that, we take all the babies out of the mother. We give them, we cover them with iodine to have a smell. So they have similar smell. We now push about four black piglets and 6 of the baby to the mother. Normally, if the mother discovered that there's a foreign pig, they're supposed to eat it or send it away. But because we've covered the smell of all of them, so when we return the pig, they just smell all of them. As long as you smell the same iodine in all of them, just keep them selected there. Now we are wondering, how come you cannot know black? Now these are, you only give birth to white baby for, you'll be taking care of them for 2 days. How come you, take it very much. How come you don't know that this is a black baby? It was then that it became very clear to me that actually their priority is not same. We are the one that see Igbo man, we're the one that see somebody wearing red. They only see black and white. So when the baby came, when we return the baby back, as far as it's concerned, it's smelling right. If it's smelling right, it's my baby. And you can understand why smell is very important to them, because in the jungle, when they are going to the jungle, when they give birth, they are always on the move. So the baby needs to know their mother very well. So the only way they know their mother is not the color of their mother, it's not the color of it's the smell of their mother. So that's why pigs have developed over time their smelling system. And that's why what's the advantage of that to us as a farmer? That means if I want to make them, that means I can decide a lot of things. One, I know they can, if I give them the toilet, they always put in the toilet. If I give them where to feed, they always come to feed, and the rest will be their sleeping place. So when I want to put this place, because of the way it is now, pig will not appear, pig will poo anywhere. That's why, this is why I say poo here, I say poo here. But where's your staff, madam? Chief, does he speak English? Okay. Madam, okay. Madam, help me answer. If they want to make their work very easy, they should buy them chemical and disinfectant and omo. They need to wash the pen because the smell is.
And from this training, now I can tell you that before somebody enters your farm, make sure you disinfect them. Don't let them bring any bacteria into your farm. That is the sort of knowledge that you gain from such a training. It wasn't book matter, it was practicals and then lots of examples that you can relate to. After all that theory, we heard about castrating, injection, antibiotics. We came to the farm today and we're actually giving needles and then the chemicals to actually try and learn how to inject the animals properly. Yeah, I taught how to actually hold them, how to insert the needle, how to press it and all that. So it's very practical, and everything that I've learned makes me feel like a professional. And I'm very grateful for the knowledge that we've gained. The money paid for it is less than 100 of what you should have paid. So I'm very grateful for the training. I'm now a professional pig farmer. Thank you.
Okay. But because there's 10, like I told you, one of the things I told you yesterday, there are pigs in the wild only give back to maximum of 6. So when an animal gives back to 10, when an animal gives back to 10 like this, they've done you too much favor. In return, you have to change the kind of food because their milk alone. That's why the pigs are not as bulky as they're supposed to be, because they're healthy. When you look at, I was talking about skin. When you look at pigs, the first thing you notice is the skin. It's not how big it is alone, but the skin. Whether there's any infection in the eyes, whether there's any part in the eyes, whether they're active. If you don't start giving the mother more protein, the pigs, the mother will not go out. You don't want to lose this thing. But as you come here and say you lose anyone in this thing, I'll blame you. Because we need to talk about your food when we go out now. Because we go around, I want to see that lots of the size I want to use. I need to come there and say to the farm. Before I get this, everybody else busy. Now the one doing the talking. Very soon you believe the one doing the hard work. Are these new sows? I didn't give them back before.
No.
So they are ready. I didn't make it yet.
No.
Oh. So, madam, you know, that's a male.
That's a male.
They're not male. So why are you not using this for your crossing, for your mating?
We think they are small.
But some of your for the big ones, definitely they are small. But how about for your guild?
Yes, when they come on.
So what I'm saying to you is that keep one of them for you, keep one of them for outside. But once they go outside, they can't come back to your farm. So try and keep one outside. So you don't borrow people anymore, you sell it to them. I'd rather you sell it for cheap and make a loss than bring them and make profit and then ruin the farm.
What about? You don't have to maybe it's inbreeding. Maybe the animal here.
Now, that's another question I wanted to ask you. Yeah, you can use this animal for that, but are they from the same parent?
No, this one, yes, they are from the same.
You cannot use from the same parent. Because if you do that, next time they're going to give birth, maybe you just going to see them smaller, not a lot, and you'll be wondering what has happened.
Yes, they are the same parent, but we don't cross them when they are the same parent.
So with the female of another, exactly.
We don't do
just make sure you have, when you are mating them, you mate with female of another parent, so that you don't have inbreeding. Because you keep record, there's a proper keep record. You need to start keeping record. But your problem is becoming very big, and with the number of females that I've seen so far, if I take you on the challenge that your sow should give birth twice a year, by the time I come back next year, you have about 300 pigs here. So you have 300 pigs, how are you going to be able to memorize which one is which? Now, because there are fewer, you can know that one give birth. What's very popular name in Ghana?
Kumasi.
Steven that give birth to that one.
Steven is here.
But when there are many,
There are two Stevens.
that's why I choose that one so that I think you will not say you don't be able to name them. You don't be able to name them anymore. So it's very important for you to start numbering them. So how are you? If I want to start numbering this one, the number one thing I will do, all these male, I'll number them. There is what you call air tag. You need to buy it, madam. It's not that expensive. You need to buy them so you can start giving them number. Number is like a name. So I'll give this your boy with number one, the one that's outside, number one. If I were you, I wouldn't let it come back, but it's not my farm. Because I wouldn't want to take the risk. I don't know what they've exposed it to, but I don't know how many animals are spitted. I don't want to take my farm. So I would say, so this is not going to be 1 and 2, 3. So my record, I say 1, 2, 3 are boas. Up to 10, all those ones, they are boas, but we're not going to use them for picking. Because that's why you've not fed them very well at this one. But if you castrated them, it will make it easier. That's why, if you don't want to do numbering, if you castrate all your males, it's easier because you know you're not keeping them on the farm. And you cannot accidentally use them for mating.
Sorry.
So one of the reasons why you castrate, which I'm going to do today, there are 3 reasons why you castrate an animal. One, you castrate because when you sell your pigs to ShopRite, they don't like tainted smell. Pigs, when they are male, every male produces a womb. And the womb, as it matures, as they reach puberty, they provide an womb. You will not believe it. One of the reasons why husband and wife marry each other is part of it is smell. And that's the same thing in animal kingdom. But that smell is not very good. Some people don't like it, so you castrate because of that. 2, when you castrate a male, it makes them grow bigger. Because they will not, all the sexual drive will be removed, so they concentrate all their energy in growing. Their body will not have to send some enzymes, send some hormones to be ready for erection and to mate. That's the second reason. Third reason, in a farm like this, if you don't have them burning, and you don't want to do crossbreeding, you only select the animal that you want to use for mating. So there are fewer, then you can memorize them in your head. Not the best, but can memorize. Then the rest of the male are castrated, so you know that you cannot accidentally mate male and female. Fourthly, if you have minimal space in your pen, like you put a male there, if when that big one is on it, you will not believe that male, as small as he will want to climb the male, that female. And there's going to be warm, because you will not want to allow it because it's too small. And so, but if it's a castrated male, you are safe. So if you don't have space is your problem, you castrate the male and you can put all of them together in one place, knowing that there's not going to be mating. But the best thing is to record your farm, record your pigs, put tag on them so you can know the number of animals. But you don't put tag on the one you're going to sell in 6 months' time. You only put tags on the one that you're going to keep for breeding. Because the one you're going to sell, you don't need to. You've already castrated them and they're going in 6 months' time. You don't have any concern about them. The only reason is that you want to put them in one place so you can know how long, whether you need 6 months, you've achieved your goal. So that's the reason. And this is any question. Yep.
According to my calculation,
Yep.
if you keep a boa,
Yeah.
and then the sow and then they breed, there's going to be a point in time when the boa cannot breed with the sow which you brought in at a certain time. Meaning if I have a boa today and I use it to cross a sow today, their children, that same boa cannot.
Exactly.
So there's going to be a point in time when the boa in the pen cannot.
That is absolutely correct. That's absolutely correct. So when you have, so the only thing, if I'm the owner of this farm, the only thing I'll be buying, that's why everybody is coming to come and borrow your boa to save the money, but you don't lend them, you don't lend your boa out. So when, like you said, the first generation, they'll give back to the people, but this male cannot make them anymore. So periodically, once a year, you go and buy male. So you go and look outside and look for male from very. I was telling you when I saw those females there, I said, anybody, I never say it because it's being recorded. Anybody that wants to buy pig around this area should come because I've seen the mother and I know they're good quality breed. So that's what you will do to other farms as well. Go to other post farm. See the mother. Mother is meant because from the mother will come the male. From the male. See the mother, and if you can trace the father that made them. If the children are good, you now buy. Like if I want to buy, I want to buy farm another farm now. I'll come to this one and give her to 10. That's why if I come to this and like this, I will not encourage you because I'll buy it cheap from you. Though I know they have good potential. So if you do so, I'll be again. And you know, I told you when I go to PKC farm, I go to PKC, the one that's not extracting very well, they are my friend. Because I need to capitalize on the inefficiency. There's something wicked about it, it's just being smart.
Yeah.
So I will come to your mom and say, madam, your people are very small. But I already know. I know that they have quality, they are quality. I'll say, okay, I'll buy them. I say, how many weeks? They say 4 weeks. I say, okay, you know what? Before she change her mind, I'll buy them in 4 weeks. I go and give them milk in my farm just to get them out of that winning stage. And then I buy it for cheap. I have good quality pig. Some of the people that come to buy pig from you, they buy female and female. They take your female, they take it to their farm, they sell the male. So, but they buy it at the normal price of normal distance. We need to be very smart. We need to be very smart as a farmer. So knowing that how you present your farm is part of the game. As I said, it's not only taking care of the pig that matters. Packaging and everything is part of it. And packaging is how you make your pig to look like. Like if you spend, I don't know what you're feeding them, but I'll look at the feed. But I'm going to make some recommendation that you feed them with that for 2 weeks. And we want them today. You'll be surprised what it's going to look like. And that's what I would do if I facility. I'll just do it and just say, yeah, madam, the pig are not doing very well. Well, we'll manage it. What you can normally say, or what can they normally say when they are? No, I'll use 1 or 2 comments. There's a particular comment that people, Ghanaians always say. Oh Lord, I'll remember. I'll just say.
Is it to say?
You know when they're excited, they say there's no word that nobody come on. No.
Charlie.
Charlie, this thing are not doing very well. I will help you. I'll say I will help you. I'm actually helping myself. I say I will help you, madam, to go and take care of them. You can't afford them. I'll take them. I said, wait for 6 weeks and come back. Don't worry, 6 weeks I'll come and pick them up and help you take care of them. When you come to my farm, you'll be shocked to what you sold to me. Because I know their potential and I know what is wrong with them. And that's what you don't want people to do. You don't want people to know the potential of your farm more than yourself. Yeah. Because you'll be selling for cheap. You know, yesterday I said we are price takers. They come to the farm, first of all, you know when big buyer comes to the farm, they psych you up. If you catch how desperate are you, they look at. Madam, am I wrong? They look at how desperate are you. If you are desperate, then they will look. That's why don't let anyone be big and just small. They will forget the big one. They just look at, madam. And then these bigs are very small. They overlook this one from very big. I'm talking about this one. You like that psychologically knock your price down. And by the time you say, okay, we'll take it. We will take it. But, and then as they're taking this one, they say, okay, let's add this one to it. Variety is actually the one they came for. So you need to be aware because that's where profitability lies. It's not only in the production, it's not only in the cutting of food, it's how you sell it and how well you sell it. Because when they take it out of your farm, they can make twice more. Like I said, I'll buy from you and I take it to my farm, I'll feed it in 2 weeks' time. If you pass by and come to my farm, you see them very nice. Say, okay, I like your animal. I'll sell it twice the price. That's the price for you. And what I've just done, I didn't go through the one of pregnancy. I didn't go through the job of making of following. I didn't go through all the winning stage. All I just did was to pick up an animal from you, do a little bit of 2 weeks work on it, and have a very good animal. So don't let people be doing that for you. So at this stage, now I think you've listened to me. You know, I've been talking since yesterday. Thinking, which animal should we use?
Let's go
Yeah,
for
please.
that place.
These days, people are conscious about consuming lean meat. So
Yeah.
with the castrated ones, how do you get?
Good. That's a very good question.